In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the profile toolbar in the Sketcher workbench. To start with, go to Mechanical Design, go to Part Design and open up a new part file. How engineers do it. Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. Share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update. Go for Sketcher tool and select the plane that you would like to work with, the Sketcher workbench. Notice that the tools here are all from the part design, and once you enter into it, everything changes to the Sketcher workbench. We are going to learn the different tools in the profile toolbar firstly before we get into other tools and other options. So firstly, go for the profile. Once you enter into the profile, you can see they say that click or select the start point of the profile. So you need to select the start point of the profile. And once you click the second time, the line still continues. In this case, as you can see in the Sketch Tools toolbar, you have different options here. So these options help us to make the sketching quite easier. As you can see, if I want a dotted line or construction line, you could click on this, and if you want to tangent from that particular line, then you could click here and you'll get a circle from it. And if you could go for a 3-point circle, you could even create a 3-point circle for it. Then you have options to change the angle, the horizontal, vertical, and everything, that whatever that comes. So for example, if I input 0 and 0, as you can see, it closes to 0, 0. So that's the most basic information about the profile tool, and let's see the other options later in the tutorial.